guys, what's going on? Kinda forgot to film an intro like a noob, but what can I do, so I'm gonna be doing it right now. My name is Daniel, I'm a videographer and a photographer, and this vlog is gonna be about my life, me doing some photography stuff, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's have a great fast vlog! So right now I'm probably gonna make some food, then we're gonna eat it once the kid would wake up, so he went to bed right now, this is why I'm outside. Then I'm gonna go to the shoot, sunset at the train tracks, it's gonna be very cool, so I hope I will get some dope photos. Stay tuned and it's gonna be very fun. It's time to go to the shoot.
Shoes, world on my shoulder, heart full of blues. I'm in the dirt, down in the dirt.
Ready? Let's go to the shoot.
Down in the dirt. Been real bad.
We're gonna go somewhere over there, behind the wall, and we're gonna get on the train tracks, and it's gonna be fun. Last time I went there was this crazy dude who started following me and the model I had at the time, so we just left. Let's hope he wants to be here this time.
Down in the dirt. Down in the dirt.
Okay guys, a very strange noise coming from this woods, and I'm not sure what's inside there, but I'm going to find out. And we also arrived at the passage. Let's hope the crazy man won't be here. But here's the train tracks. And yeah, just hope he won't be here, because then my shoot will be ruined. Fingers crossed. Yes, there's no one here. Look, it's completely empty. Yeah, let's fucking go. I'm so fucking happy. And look, there's even like traffic lights and everything, and just great, I couldn't ask for more. So let's go get the actual shots. So apparently I filmed the last couple of minutes and I filmed like this. So sorry about that. I'm gonna stop the recording for a couple of minutes because I need to get some photos and I need to use my camera for this, so yeah. Catch you after the shoot. Maybe I'll shoot some stuff on my phone and see you soon. That's the setup and I'm gonna start shooting, so yeah, let's go. Now I'm going to take my phone for something, so I'll be right back.
It was tons of fun. It was the best shoot I ever had. Like, I can't even describe how much fun it was. Got some of the best photos I've ever taken, I think. And it's way harder to hold the camera on the regular tripod with a different lens than with the tripod and the other lens. But if I want enough light in the frame, I need to use this lens. But I'm actually thinking it's way too close, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna switch back to the lens. Okay, I'm back with a normal setup, as you can see, and I'm very happy. This shoot was so fucking good. I mean, can't even describe how fun it was. I'm getting into a dark tunnel, so yeah, you won't be able to see me, but you can still hear me, though with a lot of echo. What I was saying, it was a great shoot. Like, shooting in Rishpon, which is where the train tracks are, is one of my favorite things to do. It's so beautiful. I mean, there's nature in one side, and then like more urban and modern stuff on the other side.
I never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone. Catching the flight, I'm coming home. Back to the place.
Came back alive. Ooh, everything is fine.
Seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun.
Hello. Okay, so there's no one here. I'm going to relax a bit till my friend will arrive. So yeah, catch you soon.
And I'm back, and that concludes today's first video. Hope you enjoyed it. Now let's look over some of the shots I got. First one is me looking to the distance. I got the clouds and the skies in the very high contrast. And that's what I like about it. I mean, the clouds are orange, the skies are blue, and the train tracks only add to the image, and that's pretty cool. Second shot is me looking to the other way, holding my phone like this, and I really like it because it adds another element. Last shot, no, not last, almost last shot, is me doing the cross position like this, like Jesus. I really like it. I mean, it's getting a bit dark and adds another element to the image. Last shot is me trying to do a levitation shot, a jumping shot. Didn't really work out, but I still tried, and that's what counts. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. That's it. See you next time. And remember, everyone got a story. Don't forget to tell yours.